Good morning, children. Today we will start with our Standard 2 English syllabus. And this is our test book, English Balbharati Standard 2. First we will start with our first unit. In the first unit, first there is a poem, Bridge, written by Christina Rossetti. She is a poetess. Children, if you have test book, open your test book and follow me. Okay? So first I will read the poem and then I will explain it. 1.1 Bridge. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sails across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. A beautiful poem. In this poem, this is the poem about the rainbow. The poetess tells us that there may be boats may sail on the rivers and ships may sail on the seas. Boats sail. Sail means what? To travel. You know rivers now, children? On the rivers, how we travel from the river? We travel from the boat. Okay? The boat sails on the river. I'll show you some pictures. You follow those pictures. Okay? You can see that picture, so you will have the idea. You will get the idea. And ships sail on the sea. Seas means what? Notice sea. In Marathi we call Samudra. Okay? Ships. Jahaz. Ships sail on the seas. But the clouds that sail across the sky. Have you seen the clouds? Clouds are in the sky, right? You have seen the movement of them. They do the continuous movement, right? But the clouds that sail, they sail in the sky, are prettier than these. Prettier means beautiful. The clouds that sail in the sky are beautiful, are prettier than the boats and ships. There are bridges on the rivers. Have you seen any bridges on the river? On many rivers there are bridges so that we can cross the river. Okay. So there are many bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. That means you must be liking their bridge. It looks beautiful. Okay. But the bows that bridges heaven. Here bow means what? The bow means rainbow. Okay. But the road that bridges heaven. The rainbow which comes in the sky. Okay. It is like a bridge to the heaven. Heaven means what? Heaven in Hindi or Marathi called Swarga. It is called is the place of God. Okay. So the rainbow is like a bridge to the heaven and overtops the trees. Where it looks from down we see it appears like it is on the trees. Okay. It is from the trees and it makes a big circle in the sky. Similarly, it looks like it is a road from the earth to the sky. It is a road from earth to the sky to the heaven and it's prettier far than this. This road of rainbow is too beautiful than the bridges on the rivers. Okay, children? So this is the meaning of the poem. Okay, children? You will take help of your parents and you will listen and recite this poem with action 2 times. Okay? Then we are going to do some activity. The activity is that there are rainbow colors here. Okay? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Okay? Have you ever sung this song? Violet, indigo, blue and green. Blue and green. yellow, orange and red. So this song is for specially for the rainbow colors. And this, what you're going to do is you're going to write one thing about this color. Okay, this is violet color. For example, brinjal. You can write here brinjal. Brinjal is violet in color. Indigo. There are flowers also of indigo color. And you can write indigo color cloth. Anything you write. Blue. It can be sky. Green can be parrot. Yellow, it can be sunflower. Orange, it can be the fruit orange. Red, it can be apple or rose. So you'll take help of your parents and you'll complete in your textbook. Now, you can look at these words and you can repeat it twice at home. River, sky, sea, clouds, bridges, heaven, across, earth, prettier, ships, bow, overtops. So children, the explanation was over. I will give some notes after this video and you will complete it in your CW with good handwriting. Okay? Thank you.